Today, we're exploring the most innovative woodworking tools designed to boost precision and efficiency. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, these tools will save time and enhance your craftsmanship. From measuring to cutting, each one ensures flawless results with ease. Stay until the end to discover a game-changing tool for your workshop. Woodpeckers SkillSquare. When precision is key in your workshop, the Woodpeckers SkillSquare is the tool you need. Unlike regular carpenter squares, this one is designed with absolute accuracy in mind. The stainless steel blade is 3 times thinner than traditional squares, making ultra-precise marking a breeze. A complete set of scribing guides along the top edge allows you to mark measurements from 1/18 inch to 6 inches with ease. Need to mark angles for furniture or framing? The reinforced pivot point ensures perfect alignment every time. Laser engraved markings stay clear no matter how much you use it. The XT model lets you measure in the middle of your board, something most squares can't do. Whether you're building furniture or framing a house, this square delivers professional-grade accuracy. JessEm Tool Setting Gauge. Let's move from measuring to precise tool setup with the JessEm Tool Setting Gauge, a must-have for woodworkers who demand perfection. Made from solid stainless steel, this tool helps you set up your power tools with extreme accuracy. Ever struggled to adjust your table saw blade or rotor bit? The brass tightening wheel provides butter-smooth adjustments, so you can set heights precisely. Micro-detents allow you to dial in measurements as fine as 11/16 inch effortlessly. Use it vertically or horizontally, depending on what works best for your setup. Whether you're setting drill press depths or adjusting tool fences, this gauge is like having a precision engineer in your pocket. With laser-etched markings and an all-metal construction, this tool is built to last and ensures flawless setups every time. Pony 2-in-1 Clamping Worktable. A strong, reliable workspace is crucial for any project. That's where the Pony 2-in-1 Clamping Worktable comes in. With a 31 by 25 inch work surface, it can handle up to 500 pounds of weight. Built-in measurement markings make layout work effortless. It includes 2 12-inch Jorgensen trigger clamps, each delivering 300 pounds of clamping force. The 36 bench dog holes let you position your workpiece exactly how you need it. Need more space? Fold down the sides and it transforms into a heavy-duty sawhorse that supports up to 1,000 pounds. The non-marring feet protect your floor, while the built-in storage shelf keeps tools within reach. This work table is the ultimate combo of stability and versatility for any woodshop. LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry Multitool. If you're dealing with logs and heavy materials, the LogOX 3-in-1 Forestry Multitool is a game changer. The wider handle offers better grip and control, even when wearing gloves. The bright orange hook ensures high visibility in low-light conditions. With a 40-inch length, it provides the perfect leverage to lift and move logs without straining your back. The new swing lock pin eliminates the need for fiddling with clevis pins while working. The Bigfoot timberjack attachment lets you lift and cut logs cleanly off the ground. The ski tip design reduces friction, making it easier to pull logs. Whether you're clearing brush or bucking logs, this tool saves your back while increasing efficiency. Milescraft 8401 Trim 45. If you've ever struggled with trim work, the Milescraft Trim 45 is here to help. Say goodbye to complex calculations and awkward angles. This tool makes trim work effortless. It features reveal settings from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch in 1/8 inch increments, perfect for door and window casings, fireplace surrounds, and even bookshelves. Works like a third hand, holding trim securely while you fasten it. Whether it's new installations or renovations, this tool ensures a professional look every time. If you do any kind of trim work, this is a must-have tool. WorkPro SK5 Handsaw. For precision cutting, the WorkPro SK5 Handsaw is built to deliver. The SK5 steel blade is coated with black Teflon, reducing friction and wear. Triple ground teeth slice through wood like butter. The chip removal design keeps your cutting line clear and accurate. Built-in 45 degrees and 90 degrees angle markings allow for precise guided cuts. The 29-centimeter measurement scale on the blade lets you measure and cut in one go. From trimming boards to cutting PVC, this saw is versatile, durable, and built for performance. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig. If you're installing cabinet doors, the Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig will make your life easier. No more frustration with misaligned hinge holes. The glass-filled nylon base ensures perfect drill positioning. The depth stop collar guarantees consistent hole depth every time. Works with all standard hinge sizes. Includes a carbide-tipped drill bit, so you can start working right away. For cabinet makers and DIYers, this jig takes the guesswork out of hinge installation. Saker Folding Speed Square. Need an all-in-one measuring tool? The Saker Folding Speed Square has you covered. It folds for easy storage, yet provides a full-size measuring surface, allows you to mark angles, draw straight lines, and space measurements evenly. Ideal for construction layouts, geometric designs, and carpentry. Durable construction withstands heavy use. If you want one compact tool with maximum functionality, this is the one. Bora PM 3500 Mobile Base. For those working with heavy machinery, the Bora PM-3500 Mobile Base makes moving them effortless. Supports up to 1,500 pounds. Perfect for table saws, bandsaws, and more. 3-inch ball-bearing wheels ensure smooth movement. Foot-operated locking levers keep everything rock solid when in place. Adjustable side rails and corner pieces fit a variety of tools. The powder-coated finish ensures durability. If your shop needs flexibility, this mobile base is a must-have. Wolfcraft Screw Starter. Finally, the Wolfcraft Screw Starter makes perfect screw installations easier than ever. A 2-in-1 design combines screw starting and countersinking. Handles screws up to 12 millimeters in diameter with clean, precise results. The adjustable depth stop ensures consistent countersink depths, fits standard drill chucks, and saves time switching between tools. For flawless screw installations, this is the tool you need. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips, tool reviews, and project ideas. See you in the next video.